Hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, share, like, comment. Today we will be doing what we call Spanish donuts, chin chin, or rosquillas. And these are the ingredients: unsalted butter, sugar, flour, condensed milk, and egg. The first step is to mix the dry ingredients. I mean the flour and the sugar. When we are done, we mix the unsalted butter. I mean unsalted because these ingredients need 0 salt. I repeat, 0 salt. You will be mixing until you get that texture, the crunchy texture. You will be seeing that very soon. If you see that it's not yet crunchy, you keep adding your butter, but make sure you don't put a lot. As you can see here, it's not that crunchy as I want or as it's supposed to be. So I will continue to add butter. My butter was frozen, so it was a little hard for me to press and mix. So as soon as you can stick everything together, that tells you that you are going into the right direction. I will be adding a little bit of butter. This is the texture we were looking for, just like grains. This is how your ingredient has to be before adding anything else. So now it's time for the liquid ingredients, the condensed milk and the eggs. We will be adding 3 to 4 eggs. It all depends on your quantity. When you're done with the eggs, you mix. It's going to be a little bit gross when you're mixing, but we don't really care about it, right? Yes. It's time for the condensed milk. Don't add too much of condensed milk because remember we added sugar, and sugar is sweet and condensed milk is sweet. So you see how sticky it is? You keep adding flour, just a little bit of flour, not too much of flour. Make sure you mix it. That's the key. Mix it very well. And if you want to taste to know that it's perfect, just do what I'm doing right now. Just do one. Can you see? Make sure you put a little bit of flour on your palms and then in the plate that you're going to put it. You must not do as I'm doing. You can do any form, anything. You can do circles, you can do braids, anything of your choice. I'm just used to doing this. My mom makes it just like that, so I'm just used to doing that. But if you cannot do it, as I said, you can do circles. You can do like a long one like this and then cut it with a knife and do what you want. It must not be as I'm doing. When your hands will get a little oily, if you want, you can add a little bit of flour, but it's not necessary because the more flour you add to your mixture, the more foamy it's going to be when you have to fry it. So less flour, guys, less flour. And this is all I did. The circles, and the other form that I was doing, I don't know how to call it. So yes, guys. Now it's time to fry. Deep frying, guys. Make sure the oil is hot. Mine was not too hot, but I was hairy. So forgive me. You can see bubbles, foam, I don't know how to call it, but you can see, right? That's because of the flour. So imagine if yours has a lot of flour, you will be having a pool, foamy party in your kitchen. And I believe that's not something that you want, right? Make sure you don't put a lot of flour when it comes to doing your fingers. Make sure you don't put a lot in your palms, or make sure you don't sprinkle a lot of flour on it. Oh my God, look how beautiful they look. Mm, 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 Food is life. Food is life, guys. Make sure you also put like a napkin under the bowl or plate you're going to place them to help you with the oil, with the extra oil. Okay, guys? This is what I was talking about. When you're shaping it, put less flour on your palms. If possible, don't even add. It was time for testing. Yes, it was really good. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.